Most men don't realize what's happening to them. They think they're getting weaker, less driven, less focused. But that isn't the truth. Watch this video till the end. I've got a jaw-dropping revelation waiting just for you. Modern life quietly suppresses the systems that make men feel strong: energy, blood flow, hormones, and recovery. Chronic stress keeps cortisol elevated. Poor sleep disrupts hormone repair. Constant stimulation burns out motivation and focus. This isn't a personal failure. It's a biological environment working against you, and most advice makes it worse. Quick fixes, aggressive supplements, temporary stimulation, nothing that restores the body at its foundation. Apothecaries understood something modern culture forgot. The body doesn't need to be forced. It needs the right conditions. Ancient herbal systems worked slowly, but deeply. They focused on circulation before stimulation, recovery before performance, consistency over intensity. That wisdom still matters when it's applied with modern understanding. That's why I created the Modern Man's Herbal Playbook. It's a calm, disciplined guide for men who want real vitality, not hype. Inside, I break down how testosterone actually works, why blood flow governs energy and libido, which herbs support the male body safely, and how food, sleep, and daily rhythm rebuild strength naturally. No miracle promises, no reckless stacks, just results, structure, and patience. This book isn't for everyone. It's for men who want long-term strength, earned, not borrowed. If that sounds like you, the Modern Man's Herbal Playbook is available now. The link is in the description.